Alright everybody, I'd like to share this next project I'll be doing. Is the 132 scale Battlestar Galactica Raptor. I've had it for quite a while, and I'm going to light the full interior. I have everything on my display case here to show everybody. I have the photo edge from Graphics. It comes with some cool decals. You can see here. I'm not going to use the decals that come with the kit. I'll be using these for lighting up the interior, which is cool. And see the photo edge right here. A little lighting in here. Might be better if I do it this way. Very cool. I got the model laid out on top of my display case. I've already off camera been modifying the left wing here for the photo edge. And I'll have to repeat the same on the left or the right side of the Raptor. Here's some interior that I'll have to modify for lighting. I'll have the cockpit and this lit up. Here's one part of the Raptor, right side, and the left. The photo edge comes with a hinge, so I can open the door, the hatch right here, which is going to be cool. Then I got all the parts here on my top of my display case. This is going to be brief because everybody that built this did a kit review. I just want to show you, but there's quite a few parts. It's going to be time consuming upgrading and changing. Here's the instructions for the photo edge. Compare graphics. If I can show at least what I'm doing to the left right here, shows you what to do to modify it for the wings. Like I said, I'm working on the left wing right now, and then I'll have to repeat the step on the right side. Modifications on the inside of the bulkheads, same with the cockpit instruments, and then the main cabin. I got my work cut out for me to do this project. I think it's going to be pretty cool once it's all done. Here's the instructions. I can pause the camera and we can look that over. And the decals. I may use some of the decals on the Raptor that come with the kit. But very cool. I haven't seen anyone build this kit in a while on YouTube, so I figured I'd pull this out and go ahead and give it a crack. And like I said, it's just going to take time to modify. As you can see here, I got this section done already. I started this one right here, and then I got the one below, and then I have this one right here to open up. But I'm not going to go through all the parts. It comes with a couple figures, and I can probably, they're right here, I could probably pick some up. They got 3D printed ones from, I can't think of the name right now. There's 3D printed figure kits out there that I can get for this 32 scale Raptor. I'll think about that when I get to that part, but it's pretty cool. A lot of detail. You can see here. It's going to bug me now who has the figures available. I know HDA Model Works in Texas, he has them. But I'll probably pick up a couple of them. He has them in stock. Like I said, The instructions are right here, so I might go ahead and clean this off of my display case and open this up and take a quick look at it. So I'll go ahead and pause for now, and I'll be right back. Alright everybody, back on the instructions for the Colonial Raptor. I'll try to see if I can do this. Everybody get a look at the 1/32 scale. Instructions for the Raptor. I'll try to go over it as quick as possible here. I figured out it was green strawberry that came out with the 3D print of the pilots, and I might pick that up down the road to add to the Raptor. I'll see what the two figures look like that come with the kit. Here's one of the figures right here, and you get two with the kit, so that's not too bad. All the photo edge that I'm going to add to the interior is what's going to be most time consuming. I will film segments of doing that, like I showed in the review of the model, what I've done with the left wing. I'll be working on that probably tonight. Sorry about all the shadow here in the instructions. So I'm going to go over it kind of quick. Like I said, I'm sure there's several YouTube channels out there that already built this kit. So I'm not going to go overboard here. Instrument panel, like I said, I'm going to light everything up in the cockpit or interior of the ship, but the instrument panel will light up, control panel here will light up, interior wall, I'll have that all lit up. It's going to look pretty cool. It's just going to be time consuming to get that all modified. Always did like this ship, pretty cool. And then it's got the paint colors for the Raptor. Got a great shot of it right there. I guess that's it. Shows on the back, final part of the instructions, the colors for the interior walls, which is gray, black, and silver, and gray and black. Like I said, sorry about the shadows. I'm going to go ahead and call this a wrap on the Colonial Raptor 1/32 scale. It's going to look like it's going to be a fun build, a little tedious with the modifications I'll have to do to it. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, call this a wrap. Everybody be safe out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk with everybody later.